We're excited that you'll be getting an Ohme electric vehicle charger. We need some details about your property so we can understand what is needed to install your charger. We'll send a link to our online home survey. The home survey is comprised of questions about your home, your energy usage, and your installation requirements. First, log into the survey using the link sent to you via email and fill out your personal details. Fill out your EV details, then answer the questions about your home. Telling us where your parking spot is and what the distance is between your home helps us to determine if your charger can be affixed directly to your home or not. Upload a picture of your parking spot by clicking Take Photo. Find your electricity meter and let us know if it's outside or inside. Next, take a photo of your fuse box, also known as a consumer unit. Your fuse box is often found near your electricity meter. Attach a photo of your incoming electricity supply. This is usually next to your electric meter. Find the earth bonding attached to your water supply. This is a green or yellow wire that may be under your kitchen sink. Take a photo. Next, find the earth bonding attached to your gas supply. This is usually a green or yellow cable near your gas meter. Answer the questions about your energy use. Next, sketch out an aerial view plan of your house, showing where your electricity meter and fuse box are. Add where you'd like your charger to be installed. Include distances between each spot and as much additional detail as possible to help us assess your installation requirements. Take a short video on your phone showing the route walking from your fuse box to your electricity meter to where you'd like your charger installed. Complete the rest of the survey. If you have any questions, we're here to help.